Plant and animal tissue. Match the items given in column A with those given in column B. Question and answer. Match the items given in column A with those given in column B. Column A. 1. Fibrous connective tissue. 2. Fluid connective tissue. 3. Supportive connective tissue. 4. Ligament. 5. Tendon. Column B. A. Blood. B. Cartilage. C. Connects a bone to another bone. D. Areolar tissue. E. Connects a muscle with a bone. See answers in the next slide. Answer. 1. Fibrous connective tissue. Answer is D. Areolar tissue. 2. Fluid connective tissue. Answer is A. Blood. 3. Supportive connective tissue. Answer is B. Cartilage. 4. Ligament. Answer is C. Connects a bone to another bone. 5. Tendon. Answer is E. Connects a muscle with a bone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more information. See you again. Till then, goodbye.